Join me as I dive into some meditation techniques for beginners and see if I can actually make them work. Meditation is one of those buzzwords that gets thrown around a lot. But for those of us who are new to it, it can be intimidating. We've all heard how great it is for our mental well-being and focus. But where do you even start? That's what I want to explore in this video. Meditation techniques that actually work for beginners and how you can start incorporating them into your daily routine. One of the biggest misconceptions about meditation is that you need to be able to quiet your mind completely, and that's just not true. The truth is, your mind is going to wander, and that's okay. The goal of meditation isn't to stop your thoughts entirely, but to learn to acknowledge them without getting caught up in them. Another common challenge beginners face is finding the right technique. With so many options out there, it can be hard to know where to start. A lot of people think that meditation has to be this big, time-consuming commitment, but that's not the case. You can start small, even just a few minutes a day, and still see the benefits. And then there's the misconception that meditation is only for a certain type of person, the yogi, the hippie, the monk. But the truth is, meditation is for anyone who wants to improve their mental well-being regardless of their background or lifestyle. The good news is, meditation is a skill that can be learned, and it's not as hard as you might think. With a little patience and practice, you can start to see the benefits for yourself. Let's talk about some specific meditation techniques that are great for beginners. One of my personal favorites is mindfulness meditation. This type of meditation is all about being present in the moment without judgment. You can focus on your breath, your body, or even just the sensations in your feet. The goal is to stay present and aware without getting caught up in thoughts or distractions. Another technique that's great for beginners is guided meditation. With guided meditation, you listen to a recording of someone leading you through a meditation practice. This can be really helpful if you're new to meditation and not sure where to start. Breathing exercises are also a great way to get started with meditation. This type of exercise is all about focusing on your breath and using it to calm your mind and body. You can try inhaling for a count of 4, holding your breath for a count of 4, and then exhaling for a count of 4. This can help slow down your heart rate and calm your nervous system. One of the most powerful insights I've gained from meditation is the importance of consistency. It's not about meditating for an hour a day, it's about making it a daily habit, even if it's just for a few minutes. Consistency is key when it comes to seeing the benefits of meditation. Another key insight is the importance of finding a comfortable space to meditate. This can be as simple as finding a quiet corner in your home or investing in a meditation cushion or chair. The key is to find a space where you can relax and feel comfortable. Finding a meditation buddy or community can also be a game changer for beginners. Having someone to hold you accountable and share their own experiences with can make all the difference. And don't be too hard on yourself if you find your mind wandering during meditation. It's all part of the process. In this video, we've covered some of the most effective meditation techniques for beginners, from mindfulness meditation to breathing exercises. Remember, the key is to start small and be consistent, and to find a technique that works for you. Thanks for watching, and I hope you're inspired to take your first steps towards establishing a meditation practice. If you have any questions or want to share your own meditation experiences, please leave them in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about mindfulness and relaxation techniques, be sure to check out my other videos.